My name is Shake Sula, the mic ruler, the old schooler. You want a trip? I'll bring it to you.
Hey, it's been a while. So I have the EarFun, and I want to do a quick unboxing. I saw a deal on this, and so my old ones are okay. I still like my Funkles, which are these guys. But a couple things I noticed about the Funkles, they seem to have some volume issues. But that happened after there was an upgrade to the next level of Android, I think we're on Pi or something like that. So anyways, I actually thought that the presentation was kind of nice. So I didn't do the full ongoing unboxing because I started opening up and I realized that some people might be curious. And I thought the presentation was really nice. So again, here we have the box with our goodies in it. Okay, lighting sucks today. We've got the actual case right here, and the difference is this case uses USB-C, and then the two units here. So let's go ahead and that right there is the right one. And the left one, and then there's the charge connectors. This is the case. Now, I'm hoping I like these. I will let you guys know, but this is just the unboxing part of it. And also I've got a few other goodies I'm going to be talking about. Simple. It's kind of large when you compare it to the Funko case. Well, not that bad. And now for the other goodies that might be in there. Okay, so we got a slider box. We're actually just an open regular box here. Open one side. And we get a couple of different earpieces and your charge cable, which is a USB-C. Oh, okay. So you get larger, smaller, and the ones that are already in place. So this is on the EarFun True Wireless Bluetooth. These are running with, this is the 1532 Black. I got them from Amazon. They're on sale, so usually like 80, I got them for 50. And there's the spec sheet. So I'm going to be testing them out, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hi all, if you like what you see, please give a thumbs up or sub, and if you really like what you see, there's a Patreon account listed in the comments. Thanks.